Hey guys, hope you're keeping well. I've finished work for the week, so I thought I would cap it off or celebrate it with a beer. And I thought I'd do a video taste test of the beer I brewed up a few weeks ago, the Otter Simcoe SMaSH. I'll put a link below to the brew day video if you haven't seen it. Just brief recap though, it was basically I wanted to do a really easy stripped back pale ale brew day. Strip back the actual brew process as well, so just go through what I did briefly. It was a 30-minute mash, a 15-minute mash out, and a 30-minute boil, and then I dumped the 100 grams of Simcoe in as one hop addition at 4 minutes from the end of boil. The purpose of that was to give me, I basically want to do all late additions, but I did the one addition only. Yeah, I wanted to get around the 40 IBU mark and see if I could get quite a bit of flavour coming through from the Simcoe, putting it right at the end of the boil. So here it is here. The only other thing I'll say is I didn't bottle any, it's all gone into the mini pressure barrel. So I'm not expecting the carbonation to be as high because I can only get the mini pressure barrel up to about 14 psi. There it is there. So I poured it up about 10 minutes ago. So it's still holding ahead, but you'll probably notice straight away it's got a bit of haze there. Now it's been in the fridge for quite a while in the pressure barrel, so I thought it might have dropped clear, but yeah, it's definitely got a haze. It's still attractive beer, but yeah, it has got some haze. Possibly that's from the shortened mash or boil or both. I'm not sure, but cheers guys. We'll dive in and test it out. Well, straight away I can smell the Simcoe coming off the top. Yeah, it's a nice, pleasant sort of light, sort of citrus. It's just, I think Simcoe's described as citrus and pine, and a bit woodsy. But yeah, the main thing I'm getting is almost like a delicate citrus off the top, and then like a nice sort of breadiness from the Otter. So it smells really good. So we're going to dive in, guys. As I mentioned, the carbonation is definitely lower than a bottle, but that's actually quite nice. It's not gassy. One big problem, as you guys will know, with beers is sometimes if they become over-carbonated, that becomes as much of a problem as them being under-carbonated. But yeah, that's still a nice carbonation level. It's got a nice level of bitterness as well. Maybe a little bit more piney on the flavour than on the aroma. And I guess I can sort of see when they describe it as being a bit woody or woodsy. Yeah, you get like maybe a very slight hint of wood coming through from the hop, but that's probably all subliminal just from reading the description of the Simcoe. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, especially considering the brew day was over and done pretty quick. Now I sort of resisted the urge to dry hop the beer as well, because I just wanted to see what that 100 gram addition would do, and that's in a half batch as well. So yeah, it's brought through a nice, I'd say it is pretty subtle hop flavour and aroma. Definitely dry hopping it would have, bumped it up another level, but that wasn't part of what I was setting out to do. Yeah, bitterness is good. It's sort of, yeah, definitely around that 40 mark. So yeah, I'd call that a solid sort of pale ale. It's not going to win any awards or competitions, I don't think. But if you want to brew like a house pale ale and have something on hand that maybe will suit all your friends and visitors, or that maybe they're not into their hoppy beers, IPAs, etc. I think they would be very happy with that. And that Otter has definitely got a nice sort of slightly toasty, bready sort of character to it. So yeah, it definitely brings some nice malt presence, I guess you could say, to the beer. So yeah, that's it, guys. Holding a bit of lacing there, which is nice. Nice colour as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Got down to 1008 in the end, so it started a bit lower than I was hoping, so 1046, but it dropped all the way down to 1008 to give 4.99%, which is pretty much bang on 5%. So yeah, no, happy days. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Over and out.